Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on comments on your TikTok videos. So let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on TikTok, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now, simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And tap on Settings and Privacy. And once you are in the Settings and Privacy menu, you have to simply tap on Privacy. And now you have to simply scroll down and you will see option of Comments. Simply tap on it. And now you will see option of Allow Comments From. Simply tap on it. And as you can see that it is currently switched to No One. If you want to turn on comments on your TikTok videos, you have to simply tap on Everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on comments on your TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.